Twisted tube heat exchangers are used in many industries and are often perceived by contractors as difficult to clean. They are a preferred option for more challenging heat exchange services, such as hot crude oil versus viscous hot vacuum residue. And for services where high thermal coefficients are mitigated, fouling are attractive. As a trusted contractor for heat transfer companies, IGS works closely with them to ensure optimum cleaning standards. Our system removes deposits from the entire shell side spaces by penetrating deep into the center of the exchangers. Cleaning of the internal twisted tube bore is performed using technology that delivers optimum cleaning power to the micro bore of the tube twists. We use patented technologies to deliver cleaning heads between the shell-eye tubes and along the full length of the tube bore on the tube side, ensuring complete cleanliness even in heavily polymerized heaters. We understand twisted tubes, and the many advantages of using our twisted tube heat exchanger cleaning service include improved safety standards, a high percentage of fouling removal compared to traditional methods, and a reduction in CO2 emissions. Contact IGS today to optimize the cleaning of your twisted tube exchanger.